Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today we will be diving into the absolute best ways to completely sabotage your life in a ridiculously short amount of time. We all want to improve, right? Get healthier, smarter, more successful. But what if there was a guaranteed path to the exact opposite? This video is a sarcastic guide to making a mess of things, ensuring you miss every opportunity. If you follow these steps, you'll be well on your way to a glorious mess. Let's explore the art of self-destruction. Method 1. The alarm snooze spiral, our first sabotage technique, starts bright and early. Or more accurately, not so bright at all. It's the alarm snooze spiral. Set your alarm with good intentions, but when it rings, you hit snooze. And then again and again. Each press tells your brain this isn't important. Go back to sleep. This doesn't give you more rest. It fragments your sleep, leaving you groggier and more exhausted. You start your day rushing, forgetting things, and already feeling defeated. This seemingly small act sets a powerful negative tone for your entire day. You've successfully engineered a morning slump. Method 2. The social media black hole after dragging yourself out of bed, probably late. Skip basic self-care. Immediately grab your phone and dive headfirst into the social media black hole. Scroll through endless feeds of impossibly perfect lives and curated success stories. Actively compare your messy reality to everyone else's filtered fantasy. Let that feeling of inadequacy fester and grow. Spend at least 30 minutes, ideally an hour or more, scrolling mindlessly. Watch pointless videos, read inflammatory comments, and engage in arguments with strangers. This isn't about connecting. It's about numbing your brain, cultivating FOMO, and fostering unhealthy comparisons. You've wasted precious morning energy and filled your mind with junk. Method 3. Procrastination, perfection. Now, for a cornerstone of self-sabotage, procrastination, perfection. You have important tasks, looming deadlines, and pressing responsibilities. Your optimal strategy? Avoid them at all costs. Tell yourself, I'll start in just 5 minutes. Then let those minutes stretch into hours or even an entire day. Instead of tackling what needs doing, find every possible distraction. Suddenly, cleaning obscure spots or organizing trivial items becomes critically urgent. You might even watch an entire documentary series about something completely irrelevant. The key is to do anything and everything except the task at hand. The anxiety of the unstarted task will build into a crushing weight. When you finally do start, you'll be stressed, rushed, and the quality of your work will plummet. You've not only delayed progress, but actively degraded your output. Method 4. Neglecting your body and mind to truly accelerate your downfall. Master neglecting your body and mind. Forget healthy eating. Embrace processed foods, sugary drinks, and anything deep-fried. Your body is a temple? No. For our purposes, it's a dumpster. Fuel it accordingly. Avoid exercise completely. Stay glued to your chair or couch. The less movement, the better. And sleep. Who needs it? Pull all-nighters for no good reason. Keep your regular hours. Your cognitive function will decline, your mood will sour, and your energy will hit rock bottom. Don't forget to skip sunshine and fresh air. Stay indoors under artificial light. The more disconnected you are from nature and your well-being, the faster you'll achieve peak physical and mental sabotage. Method 5. Isolating yourself. Humans are social creatures, so connection is crucial for well-being. To completely sabotage your life, master isolating yourself. Ignore texts, avoid phone calls, and consistently cancel plans with friends and family. Make flimsy excuses or just disappear. When forced to interact, be relentlessly negative. Complain constantly, criticize others, and focus on the bad. Actively push people away with your negativity. The goal is to sever vital social ties. The less support you have, the more alone, vulnerable, and overwhelmed you become. This amplifies stress, cultivates deep loneliness, and fosters a general sense of despair. You've successfully built an impregnable isolation bubble. Method 6. The blame game master. No true saboteur takes responsibility. You must become a blame game master. Nothing is ever your fault. Your alarm went off too early. The internet was slow. Your boss is unfair. Your friends didn't understand you. The universe is conspiring against you. You are merely a victim of circumstances beyond your control. Refuse to acknowledge any personal contribution to your problems. Point fingers, play the perpetual victim, and revel in self-pity. This mindset ensures you'll never learn from mistakes, adapt your approach, or grow. Every obstacle becomes an insurmountable wall because you refuse to find a way over or around it. You're trapped in a relentless cycle of negativity, and it's always someone else's fault. Method 7. Ignoring growth and learning. Our final, crucial sabotage technique involves actively and vehemently ignoring growth and learning. Why read a book when you can endlessly scroll? Why learn a new skill when you can just complain about not having one? Why challenge your beliefs when you can stick to what's comfortable, even if it's wrong or outdated? Actively resist new ideas and dismiss constructive feedback. Surround yourself only with people who unconditionally agree with you. Stagnation is the ultimate goal here. The less you grow, adapt, and learn, the more rigid your mind will become. Your perspectives will narrow, and your opportunities in a constantly changing world will inevitably dwindle. This is the perfect capstone to a life well and truly sabotaged. Conclusion, and there you have it. 7 foolproof, highly effective methods to completely sabotage your life in record time. Of course, this video is meant to be sarcastic and a wake-up call. If you've recognized any of these habits in yourself, even small ones, know that it's absolutely never too late to reverse course. Small, consistent changes in the opposite direction can lead to truly significant and positive improvements in your life. What S1 sabotage habit you reactively trying to kick to avoid falling into these traps? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video ironically helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe for more content that might actually help you, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. See you next time.